Hi there. Hey, it's Dr. Hunter Doninger here from the College of Charleston. I'm here in a lab that is amazing, that is at the Stono River Preserve. It's a little echoey, but that's okay. But I want to talk to you about looking really closely at different things. Let's say, for instance, like a pine cone. You might not know it, but the more you look into it, there's all these different parts to a pine cone. You might see them way up in a tree and you won't see very much at all. But then up close, you see all different details. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, is looking at things for details. For instance, we have this feather. Looks pretty cool. But if you look at it, wow, there's all these different parts to it. It's amazing when you take a step back and you really examine these different things. Think about anything in nature and look at them far away. Imagine drawing something very, very far away and then drawing them up close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a screen with you, and it's an example of looking at a pine cone in a tree and then a little bit closer, maybe on the branch, and then looking at them in detail. And this is the thing that I'm wanting you to go ahead and do. So I'm going to switch things over just a little bit. And in the meantime, you can go get a pencil and a piece of paper, and that would be wonderful if you could go ahead and do that kind of stuff. So let's see what we can do here. All right, so you can see my wonderful screen, but I wanted to show you this picture in particular. It is amazing. This is a picture that some fifth graders did with me. You can see the pine cones right here. You can't see very much at all up in those pine cones, but you just know that they're up there. A little bit closer, you see how they're growing on the pine tree. Very interesting. But then if you dig a little bit closer, when the students looked at it, they realized that the parts of the pine cone that are in here, they actually grow in a spiral all the way out. It is truly amazing. I absolutely love it. I love sharing these things with students. Hopefully you can go ahead and do this. Draw a picture of something far away, draw it a little bit closer, and then really investigate. Whether you have one of these at home or not, it doesn't matter. It's all about taking time to look at some things and go into detail. I know you can do it, and I'd love to see your end work at the end. All right, thank you very much. This is Dr. Hunter Doninger from the College of Charleston and Project Inspire.